Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous one of the tutorial, we have seen the different system testing types like functional and non-functional. Some of the types are not covered in that tutorial, which I will be covering here. Those are mutation testing, progression testing, retesting, and regression testing. Starting with first mutation testing. So the mutation testing involves modifying the program source code in a small ways to help the tester develop effective tests or to locate weaknesses in the code. Here, the mutation means a change in a program. So programmers are performing changes in the tested program to estimate completeness and correctness of the program. The second type is progression testing. So executing the test cases first time is called the progression testing. So we got the bill for the testing and we are for the very first time we are executing the test cases on that bill. So it is called progression testing. After that, third one is retesting. So re-executing, as the name suggests, re-executing all the failed test cases to check if the fixing done by the development team is really fixed or not is called retesting. And the fourth one is regression testing. So ensuring that the bug is fixed without any side effect is called as regression testing. We have a build, we have tested it, logged some defect, and re-verified the defect when we got the new build with the fixes. So that time we do the regression testing, means re-verifying the failed test cases. But while fixing those defects, there might be some side effects of those on our build. So that time we do the regression testing. Means what we do, we re-execute selected test cases on modified build to estimate completeness and correctness of the application without any ripple side effect due to bug fixes. So this is nothing but the regression testing. This is one of the very important topic in our testing. In our next video, we will see the difference between retesting and regression testing. So for this video, this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep learning.